What is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's a technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this hair trimmer. It's from Nova, and the model number is NHT1096, and you can use it for trimming your hair and beard too. I bought it from Flipkart, and this thing cost me $8.49 only, including GST and all the taxes, whatever. Anyway, so this is a box packing, you can see, and the features. It's 40 precision trim settings, titanium blades, 0.5 mm precision cut, 2 hours runtime. That's a nice thing. 2 hours of runtime. That's a that's a lot. Dynamic beard system, compact design, and here the strong power, ultra quiet, 2 hours charge, 2 hours working time. So it's like it has a fast charging. It can be charged in 2 hours. So that's it. And on the back side you can see all this stuff. So what you get in this packet: rechargeable hair trimmer, 2-piece guide comb, USB card, cleaning brush, and lubricating oil. And the nice thing about this is you don't get any charger adapter. You just get a USB card, so the adapter is not included. You have to use your mobile adapter like that. So that's it. And you can see it's completely silk packed from Nova itself. So let's open this. Alright, nothing else in the box. And also let me show you the MRP. That is 2095, and the month of import January 2020. So that's it, 2095. That's the MRP. So I get a huge discount on Flipkart. So this is the, what to say, quick start guide, user manual, whatever you can say. All the stuff are here, and that's the comb, and that's the brush for cleaning, and that's the lubricating oil, and this is the trimmer itself. Well, another comb is attached here, and this is the on-off switch. It's on now, you can hear. And that's the 40 precision trim setting. You can see, you just twist the knob and the combs goes up, so it makes the distance between these blades and the tip of this brush. Just like this. So that's the nice thing about this. And there's at the bottom, this is a USB, micro USB socket for charging. And on this side you can see the input is DC 5 volt 2 watt. So that's the charging volt and the wattage. So I guess a 1 ampere adapter would work great. So that's it. And there is the LED light for charging indicator, I guess. Yeah, that's charge is written here. So that's it. And this is another one. This is for trimming hair, I guess. So that's it. That's all in this video. And I like the product Nova. Well, I didn't use it before, but I have used another trimmer from Nova before, and still that is working very great and still in good condition. That's why I bought another one for this is gonna serve the both purpose for the hair trimming and the beard trimming. So that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.